Hello, this is Ray, and this will be your period of instruction on reinstalling the cartridge guide into your Remington Nylon 66 rifle stock. So first you're going to take your right pinky and you're going to put it in the stock. You're going to drop this in here. Okay, you're going to slide it down until the tab here passes the plastic shelf. Then you're going to push it down a little bit so you get it to the right level in the stock. Then you're going to push forward with your pinky. Let that back end pop up with the cartridge guide. That's good. That's what you want to see. Pop up. And you're going to slide it back with your pinky. There you go. It's installed. Very fast and easy once you understand how to do this. So I'll redo it again on camera just so you guys can see it. Alright. Pinky underneath. Drop it through the top. Push this tab past. Push it down. You're going to push your pinky forward while supporting the cartridge guide with the chamber flag here. It pops up, pulling your pinky back to get the back end over the plastic shelf here. And there you go. It's back in. Not hard to do once you understand where it's supposed to go and how it's supposed to go in. I hope this helps you. Thank you.